Ever wondered what plants are best to plant each month? Well, you're about to find out. Seasonal planting is a game changer for any garden, promising vibrant blooms and hearty harvests. Today, we'll explore a monthly planting guide. So, without further ado, let's dive into our gardening calendar. Kick off the year in January by planting winter vegetables and starting your seeds indoors for spring. This season is perfect for cool weather crops like kale, cabbage, and broccoli. As we move into February and March, consider early spring flowers such as pansies and snapdragons, or even fruit trees like apples and pears. Remember, starting seeds indoors now prepares for a vibrant garden once warmer weather arrives. By April, your garden will begin to bloom with the colors of spring. As we move into the warmer months, it's time to plant your summer favorites. From tomatoes to peppers, zucchinis, and eggplants, your garden is ready to burst with summer vegetables. But don't forget about your perennials and herbs. Basil, rosemary, and lavender love this time of year. Remember, consistent watering and care is essential during these months. Your plants are thirsty and eager to grow. Keep them happy and hydrated, and by August, your garden will be a lush, vibrant oasis. As the year winds down, there are still plenty of plants that thrive in the cooler weather. Fall vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and radishes can still be planted. Bulbs for spring, such as tulips and daffodils, should be nestled into the ground. Don't forget about cover crops. They enrich the soil and prevent erosion. These months are also the perfect time to prepare your garden for winter. By December, your garden will be ready to rest and rejuvenate for the next year. And that's a whole year in your garden. From January's frost-resistant greens to December's vibrant hollies, planning your garden seasonally ensures a year-round bounty. Remember, a well-planned garden yields the best results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!